Namaste, this is Mansi Gulati. Welcome to Health Fitness Yoga. Today we'll do yoga for obesity, how we need to control it. We are going to tell you simple yoga asana and easily you can reduce your weight. So please do yoga with me also. So let's start it. First, we'll do Mahakriya, which is very important Kriya. It will help you to release your fat from your stomach, from the thigh area. It's very easy Kriya for the obesity. So let's do it. Keep your hand like this. Inhale. Exhale. While inhaling and exhaling, try to feel your body. Inhale. Exhale, inhale, exhale, very slowly go down. Now exhale. Mahakriya is very important Kriya for the obesity. So now we are going to do asana for obesity. First we will do child pose, which is very important for sleep also. So we are going to do that. Sit in Vajrasana. Very slowly go down. This is very important for your digestive system. Go down. Keep your forehead down. Come up. So this is very important asana, child pose. It will help you to reduce your weight. And you know guys, what we can do, if we do this simple asana, in a month, you will find lot of changes in you. You can easily reduce 7 to 8 kg weight by doing this simple yoga asana. Now we'll do Bandha asana. We'll do hold your body. Keep your forehead down. So now other asana is butterfly pose, which is very easy. Everyone gonna enjoy this asana. We'll do it. Hold. Keep your body straight. Very important principle of yoga. Now. Relax. Push your body a little forward. Relax. Now push your body back, look up. Relax yourself. So these asanas are very important for the obesity. This simple asana and Mahakriya is the best Kriya to control your fat. We'll tell you one more thing. We can take a bay leaf water. Bay leaf water is very important water. At night you can soak bay leaf, and every morning start taking bay leaf water. It's very important. Our body 70% is made from water itself, and bay leaf is very rich in antioxidant, will help you to reduce your fat. So we can take that. Before 5 we can have oily food, junk food. Sun is there, sun can absorb, but after 5 you have to avoid it. Drink water every half an hour, half glass of water you can take. Stay healthy, stay happy. If you like our episode, do share, like and subscribe. We will come back again. Thank you.